Am I the only one who assumed eco-friendly meant safe? This is going to blow your mind. Most cleaning product labels are basically marketing magic tricks. Let's decode the real secrets behind them. Let's get real. Words like natural, it's totally unregulated on cleaning product labels. Green, it's totally unregulated on cleaning product labels. Non-toxic, it's totally unregulated on cleaning product labels. Yep, companies can slap those claims on anything, even if their product is about as natural as a traffic jam. So if those buzzwords don't mean much, what does? Here's what you should actually look for. First, check for the EPA Safer Choice logo. That means the product's ingredients were vetted for health and environmental safety. Next, flip the bottle and hunt for a full ingredient list. Watch out for vague words like fragrance, that's code. Proprietary blend, that's usually code for hidden ingredients, so beware. Still not sure? Certifications like Green Seal certification is rigorous and credible. Eco-logo certification is also strict, a meaningful standard. They set strict standards for toxicity. They set standards for environmental impact. They even look at how the product's made. And don't forget, the law requires manufacturers to list ingredients by weight online. If a brand won't tell you what's inside, walk away. Pro tip: the best cleaning products have simple ingredients. When in doubt, stick with brands that are transparent. Choose brands proud of what's inside. Your family's health is worth it. Don't want to stress about what's in your cleaners? Our pros at Bear Brothers Cleaning only use safe, certified products that actually work to clean and protect your home. Call Bear Brothers Cleaning at 256-633-6332 or visit bearbroscleaning.com. We've got your home and your health covered.